How to get rid of garden moles. One of the worst feelings is getting up in the morning to find that your beautifully maintained garden has been made unsightly by various tunnels and mounds made by moles. These small animals mercilessly dig up the garden, making it hard for you to maintain its beauty. Moles are common garden pests that are found all over the world. Evidence of a mole in your yard may include dirt mounds, raised ridges, and soft, spongy soil. Actual moles rarely move above ground, but may be spotted in spring or fall, morning or evening, and after a warm rain. Once you confirm the presence of moles, you can get rid of them harmlessly by making a homemade repellent spray, buying a sonic pulse mole repeller, or building a mole barrier under the ground. Fortunately, moles are typically not aggressive and pose little danger to humans, but caution should be taken when handling them as they may bite or scratch. They can also carry rabies, so it's best to avoid handling them if possible. If handling is necessary, please be sure to wear gloves. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. This video will tell you how to checking for evidence of moles, getting rid of moles harmlessly, and preventing garden moles. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Method 1. Checking for evidence of moles. Number 1. Look for mounds of dirt. If you suspect that you might have moles in your garden, look for mounds of dirt on the surface of your grass. Moles will typically leave heaps of dirt the size of baseballs or softballs when tunneling. Check daily as these mounds can appear quickly as moles make their way through the yard. A typical mole might make between 50 to 100 mounds in a single month. Expert tip: moles burrow around your yard to make tunnels. You'll see raised mounds of dirt meandering around your yard when you have a mole. They often dig up seedlings and loosen the soil, but they usually eat worms and insects. Number 2. Check for tunnels. Moles tunnel deep into the ground, usually at least 10 inches under the surface. If you notice raised swellings of earth under the grass in your garden, try stepping on it lightly. If the ground gives away under your foot, this is a strong indication that you have moles. Number 3. Inspect borders. Moles tend to dig alongside structures, tunneling below the surface. Check along your house foundation and driveway for shallow moles runs, evidenced by raised ridges and mounds. Other structures to check the borders of should include walkways, lawn borders, garden sheds, fences. Number 4. Keep checking. If evidence of moles in your garden subsides, keep checking for evidence for the next few months. When the supply of insects in the upper soil becomes scarce, moles will simply dig deeper and leave less evidence than they do when digging shallow tunnels. Moles may even use dirt from their mounds to fill in old tunnels while digging in deeper soil, giving you the false impression that they have left your yard. Number 5. Look at pictures of moles. Look online for pictures of moles to know exactly what you are looking for in your yard. They are small mammals with front flippers, webbed feet, no visible ears, and a pointed, bald snout. Moles are typically only 7 inches long, approximately 18 centimeters, and weigh about 4 pounds. Number 6. Observe your yard. Moles are most active in the spring or fall. To spot one, observe your yard in the early morning or evening. While moles only tend to appear above ground surface when they are looking for a mate, you might observe active signs of their tunneling, e.g. dirt being tossed, grass moving. Moles are also likely to appear outdoors after a warm rain, when things are moist and temperate. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Getting rid of moles harmlessly. Number 1. Make a natural mole repellent spray. To make a harm-free, mole-repelling spray, combine 1/4 cup, 2 ounces, of castor oil, 1 tablespoon, 0.5 ounces, of cayenne pepper, and 2 tablespoons of liquid dish detergent in a large bowl or container. Add 1 tablespoon, 0.5 ounces, of water and stir, then pour the mixture in a container to store. When needed, mix 2 tablespoons, 1 ounce, of the mixture to a gallon of water and fill a spray bottle. Spray mounds, raised ridges, and the surrounding area of your yard. Castor oil, a powerful mole repellent, can also be effective when applied to the soil on its own. Number 2. Try an ultrasonic device. Another harm-free mole deterrent option might be an ultrasonic device emitting an underground sonic pulse to repel moles and other underground rodents, e.g. gophers. The penetrating vibrations will not affect you or your house pets, but will effectively deter pests from tunneling nearby. The mole chaser, for instance, is a small, waterproof, battery-operated spike that can be inserted into the ground to repel underground rodents, and is available online for approximately $25. Number 3. Use a humane trap. Find an active mole tunnel in your garden and dig to widen one of its entrance holes enough to fit a live trap in. Monitor the trap closely to make sure that the mole does not stay trapped inside too long. Drive the mole, still in the trap, at least 5 miles away from your home before releasing it to relocate it. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Preventing garden moles. Number 1. Build an underground barrier. Thwart mole tunneling by digging an obstructive trench in your yard. Dig down about 2 feet deep and 6 inches, approximately 15 centimeters, wide to cover enough area to have an impact. Fill this trench with impenetrable material like rock or concrete, or fill it with wire. This is an effective but labor-intensive way to protect your flower or vegetable garden from moles. Number 2. Get rid of grubs. If you have a mole problem in your garden, it is likely that you have a large concentration of grubs, which moles eat. To prevent moles, get rid of their potential food source by spraying your garden with milky spore disease or beneficial nematodes, available online or in garden stores. Neither will harm your plants or lawn, but they will kill grubs that would draw moles to your yard. Number 3. Get an outdoor-friendly cat. To prevent moles, consider getting a cat to walk around your garden. Cats are deterrents to rodents of all kinds and will dissuade moles, and other pests, from wandering into your yard. Before adopting or buying a cat, make sure that your backyard is securely fenced in and free of any plants that might be poisonous to cats if ingested. For a list of plants that are poisonous to pets, visit the Humane Society website. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation, and help to reduce moles infestation. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.